Ready to conquer the wild or turn heads on the streets? The 2026 Toyota Landhopper is here to redefine adventure, blending rugged capability with next-gen refinement in a compact, yet bold package. Toyota's newest entry into the off-road SUV segment, the Landhopper, channels the legacy of the iconic Land Cruiser while delivering a fresh, modern twist. Sized smaller than its legendary sibling, this vehicle is designed for weekend warriors, urban explorers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Go anywhere, do anything, and look great doing it. Visually, the Landhopper stands tall with sharp, boxy lines, a high ground clearance, and retro-modern styling that nods to Toyota's off-road heritage. Its short overhangs and upright posture give it a classic SUV silhouette, while LED lighting, bold grille design, and chunky fenders add a futuristic flair. It looks every bit as capable as it is, and it'll draw plenty of admiring glances whether it's parked at a trailhead or outside your favorite cafe. Inside, the dashboard design embraces functionality without sacrificing style. The cabin feels robust and adventurous, with rubberized trim and durable surfaces designed to withstand muddy boots and rough rides. But it's not all utilitarian. The Landhopper comes loaded with a digital instrument cluster, a wide infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a suite of Toyota Safety Sense features. Everything is intuitively laid out to keep your focus on the road, or off-road. Under the hood, the 2026 Landhopper packs a punch. Powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's Hybrid Max system, it delivers impressive torque and fuel efficiency. Whether you're crawling over rocky trails or cruising down the highway, the Landhopper responds with confident, controlled power. Toyota's advanced all-wheel drive system ensures the Landhopper is ready for snow, sand, or steep inclines, with selectable drive modes for customized terrain control. Despite its compact dimensions, this SUV performs like a giant in the dirt. The 2026 Toyota Landhopper isn't just another SUV, it's a lifestyle enabler. Built for those who crave capability without compromise, it proves that big adventures can come in compact, stylish forms. Whether you're forging new paths or making your daily commute feel like an expedition, the Landhopper is ready. Are you?